In the recent times, we see most of the smartphones with no 3.5mm jack port, right? And not only smartphones, we see in other devices also. Most of the smartphone manufacturers have omitted this 3.5mm headphone jack, just like iPhones, to have improved water resistance and to have slimmer designs and to save the internal space and to encourage wireless audio. Okay, you all know these are called Type-C devices. You know, for Type-C smartphones, you have to use Type-C accessories. Especially for audio, you got to use Type-C earphones or wireless headphones, as you see in the picture, because it lacks 3.5mm headphone jack, right? So to make compatible with all the devices, this Type-C adapter has come into picture, or what you call as Type-C audio adapter or Type-C 3.5mm jack audio converter. Whenever you buy Type-C devices, make sure that you buy an adapter or a converter rather than buying separately Type-C accessories, which is restricted to usage of only for Type-C devices. Okay, today we'll see the multi-use Type-C adapter, which is compatible to all devices, which saves your cost and time as well. Do check out. Hello, namaste. Welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. Yes? Okay, here comes the adapter. This I have purchased on Amazon stores, as you see in the picture. Now the offer is on. I'll provide the link in the description box. You can check out. If you want, you can buy. If you're using Type-C devices, this is the most useful Type-C 3.5mm jack audio converter or adapter. Okay, now let's check out what are the uses you have got buying this adapter. This is compatible on all OnePlus devices. You know, all OnePlus devices means China devices. Okay, you can use this adapter to connect to speakers, car audio, external microphones, audio accessories, etc. As you see in the picture, I have unboxed it. I'm showing you, it's a small device. I'm showing you how to connect to your mobile phone. As you see in the picture, I'm connecting 3.5mm jack earphones using adapter to this Type-C mobile phone or a smartphone, whatever you call them. Okay, in this way you can connect to all your Type-C smartphones or Type-C devices and enjoy audio, music, voice recordings, etc. You have one more type of adapter or converter, as you see in the picture. You can also buy this if you want. That's it all for today. If you like the video, do subscribe and help the channel grow. Keep smiling. Have a good day.